What is going on, everyone? I have a lot of packages in, and this is only a few. I know you're probably looking at this like, wait a minute, she only got 2 up there, but I have more on the floor, so let's get right on into it. Cool, so let me move this stuff out of my way. Let me give me a little bit of space, here. So this one comes from a lot. I know they're a phone case company. Let's see what they sent. It's like double packaging here, but it's a lot. This is from their Hex lineup. This one has this kind of marble design. Ooh, it looks so good. Basically what you have is this kind of TPU design, so it does bend. And then it also includes 2 screen protectors. They're not glass, but at least they will protect you against scratches. Second envelope, let's see what this is. So, ooh, this is their Tutti Frutti case option. This is for the XS Max, and it says it smells of your favorite fruit when you rub it. So this is a scented case. Y'all, wait a minute. This actually smells like is it a cherry? Oh no, this is a cherry on it, but it actually smells like a cherry. Interesting. I wonder how long the scent lasts. Is it all over or is it just in that corner? It smells like cherry and plastic. Let's see the top, let's see. I wouldn't say buy the case for the scent though, because it's not that strong. You would want to buy it for the design first and then the scent of it second. And what other one? Oh, they have banana. It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy or something like that. But nonetheless, let me show you what it looks like. So here's the banana case option. This is their mineral series and it's for the Max. So nice little option there. We got a blue one and a purple one. And just when I thought I had my choices, God, y'all, these look just as good. I don't know which one I should put on my phone. Okay, y'all, I need you to pick. Should I put this one, this one, this one, or should I put this one? Let me know down below in the comment section which you all choose. So let me get these out of the way and we'll move on to the next package. Let me clean up a little bit. This is one that I have been waiting on for a little bit, and yeah, I got a trip coming up that I'm thinking about taking it with me on, which I'll tell you more about because I feel like it'll be great to capture some things with this while I'm traveling. We have the Insta-One 360X. Oh, I said it all wrong. We have the Insta360 So this is a 360 camera. So it has the capability to capture 5K footage at 30 frames per second or 4K at 50 frames per second. Or you can do 3K at 100 frames per second. So you got a lot of different options. It also has really great stabilization. And I also have the bullet time bundle, which has the invisible selfie stick so that I can actually prop the camera on the selfie stick and capture me in 360, but you won't see the selfie stick within the footage. And I wanna say it even lets you take advantage of something known as time shift. So it's gonna let you highlight key moments with cinematic slow motion, or you can speed things up with the stabilized hyperlapse, all within the companion app of this. I'm really excited to test this out and just see how well it works. Oh man, but let's get on to the next package. Next up, I have a package from Qualcomm. So let me open this up and see. In this one box, we're giving you 2 ways to experience the magic of Maui. Snapdragon Summit. Ooh. So this is what I was greeted with right here. Fancy invitation. The invitation is delivered in a VR headset. Okay, so this is the message that was on the front. All right, so I'm going to put on this. Oh, there it is.
Welcome in Hawaiian. Qualcomm cordially invites you to the 3rd annual Snapdragon Tech Summit, taking place December 4th through the 6th on the island of Maui in Hawaii, the island, while learning more about the leading edge.
Y'all, this is a pretty cool invitation. I am so excited. That was so neat to be able to see pretty much where I will be going from within my home via VR. That's pretty nice. So with that said, y'all, I will be in Hawaii in December for the Qualcomm Tech Summit. So I'm super excited about that, y'all. So this is another package that I have been excited about. This one comes from Brevity, and if you do not know, I love their bags. That has currently been like my bag of choice when I've been traveling, simply because They're so lightweight. Normally when you carry like a camera bag or something, you carry the weight of the bag on top of your camera gear. And with theirs, you're just really carrying the weight of your camera gear because the book bags are so light. And for me and my bag, that makes a huge difference. So the one that I have here is their original backpack. I like the one that I have, which I'll throw up in the video, but I like it, but I want something that allows me to get to my camera gear just a little bit easier, and I feel like this one should do the trick. So you have your front pocket, you have this area in which you can unzip and get to some more compartments to stay organized. And then this is the section that really sold me. So here is where you can, oh, Jesus. Here is where you can access your camera gear. And these little pads here can insert into there to kind of help you keep your camera gear organized inside of it. And I like that because it's a lot easier to access. You just unzip, pull out, and boom. You can also access the camera from the side here. So I can unzip it like that and boom, stick my hand in, pull the camera out. Then you also have a pocket up top here, which is where I would probably put like my phone or my keys or something. You can also get to the camera gear through here, or you can unzip the second section in the back here and access your laptop. And another thing that I've never seen on a book bag that's so clutch is that it has a cap buckle. This is where you can put your lens cap when you're not using it, but I'm not gonna dive into this book bag too much more. I'm going to save that for a video where I, talk a little bit more about my camera gear and such. Now for these next items here, if you caught my OnePlus 6T recap video, then you might have heard me make reference to a swag bag. So these are the items that were in that swag bag. So what I have here, ooh, I hadn't opened it until now, but what I have here are these cute little OnePlus pins. So that's really nice. I also got some OnePlus stickers. All right, so they also gave us this sketchbook. And then I also have the OnePlus Bullet wireless headphones. So that's what was from them. Another item I have are the skins from Colorware, which I will be adding on my phone. So these are for the Note 9, but I also have some for the iPhone XS Max. But they make pretty high quality skins and they will customize the color of certain products like your AirPods. So in this package here, I have a lens that I rented. It is a 35mm Sony lens, but I wanted to get it to see how well it performs on my camera, to see if it might be a lens that I can alternate between, because currently, if you're curious, I'm shooting with the 16mm, but I like to explore my options. And then I also have the Sony vlogging grip here. So this is gonna be nice to further enhance what I can do with my Sony cameras, more specifically, my Sony RX100 Mark V, which is my vlogging camera. So this is going to allow me to start and stop the recording. It's gonna allow me to take a photo, or I can zoom in and zoom out and use it as a tripod. Something else that I recently picked up and I've since opened it and used it is the Peak Design leash or neck strap. I love this thing. This gives me so much more stability when I'm using my camera handheld. And on top of that, if I'm out and about, like I was at the fair when I shot my Google Pixel versus iPhone XS Max camera comparison. And it was just so useful because we didn't want to keep putting the camera up. We wanted to kind of keep it out at the ready. So to be able to wear it around your neck comfortably and then be able to easily detach it using this little system that they have developed, it just made capturing moments so much easier with this method. Lastly, ooh, did she throw some sneakers up here? I sure did. So these are some Nikes that I picked up a few weeks ago, actually. I haven't worn them yet, but these are the Jordan ones, I think in the guava colorway. I really sat on getting these. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get them or not, but at the last minute, I decided to go ahead and do so. But I probably shouldn't have because I still have yet to wear them. And then I also grabbed these blazers. I don't know, I really like the colorway. I know it's pretty much the same color as the Jordan ones, but they were just hard to pass up on. But I know some of you have even voiced that you wanted to see my sneaker collection. If you are one of those that would like to see that, let me know down below in the comment section. But I think that's gonna sum up this video. We unboxed quite a few things. All of them will be linked in the description box as well. As always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.